Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you honest, hands-on looks at smart products that make your life more organized, efficient, and clutter-free. Today, we're diving into a simple yet versatile product, the Clear CD Organizer with a 2-tier sliding drawer storage shelf. This isn't just for your dusty CD collection. This thing has a lot more range than it first appears. Let's get right into it. First up, this organizer immediately grabs your attention with its clean, transparent design. It's made of thick, crystal clear plastic, which not only looks sleek but lets you instantly see what's inside. No more guessing which drawer you put your favorite album or makeup palette in, it's all in plain view. And yes, it's washable too. So if you're using it for cosmetics or coffee pods and things get messy, you can clean it up without a fuss. Now, dimension-wise, the organizer measures about 9.8 inches in length, 11.8 inches in depth, and 7.5 inches in height. That compact form factor makes it a perfect fit for a wide variety of spaces. Whether it's sitting on your desk, bathroom counter, kitchen shelf, or even tucked under the sink. But let's talk about functionality. This isn't your old-school, dusty CD tower. It's built with 2 sliding drawers that glide smoothly, even when fully loaded. Each drawer holds up to 24 standard CDs. That's a total of 48, but here's where it gets interesting. Thanks to the generous drawer dimensions, 11.8 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 2.7 inches deep. You can use this to store much more than just CDs. Coffee pods? Absolutely. Makeup brushes, palettes, small tools, art supplies, even those little office knick-knacks like sticky notes or paper clips. It handles them all. That's what makes this organizer such a practical addition to your space. It's versatile, multifunctional, and keeps everything visible and within reach. Another thing we love? It's space-saving. The vertical, stacked drawer design means you're doubling your storage area without taking up more horizontal space. This is a lifesaver if you're dealing with limited room, especially in tighter apartments or workspaces. And let's not overlook the design appeal. Because of its clear build and minimalist aesthetic, it doesn't clash with your decor. Whether your setup is modern, industrial, or cozy and homey, this blends in beautifully. So, who is this product for? Honestly, anyone who likes their space tidy. Whether you're a music collector, a beauty enthusiast, a home office warrior, or just someone tired of clutter, this simple product adds value without being loud about it. Before we wrap, here's a quick note. This item is currently shown as unavailable for delivery in some regions. So if you're interested, check the shipping options for your location. The link is in the description below. That's it for today's review. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into clever products. And drop a comment if you've used this or have any other space-saving solutions we should look into next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where smart products meet smarter choices. See you in the next one.